Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you about positive attitude, its advantages and disadvantages of being with a negative attitude. So let me start. Attitude. Attitudes are the beliefs, opinions, or the way a person evaluates either favorably or unfavorably the objects, persons, concepts, and the like. It is a relative term. Attitudes are the beliefs which govern from inside our external behavior with others. Winston Churchill said, "Attitude is the little thing that makes a big difference." Nature or characteristics of attitude. Attitudes are the feelings and beliefs of an individual about other persons and things in his environment. Attitudes may be positive or negative. A person with a positive job attitude, for example, likes his job. Attitudes influence behavior. For example, an employee with a negative job attitude may not be regular for work, quarrel frequently with his superiors and fellow employees, may show arrogance, and so on. Attitudes are acquired through learning over a period of time. Attitudes are intangible in nature, that is, they cannot be directly observed. Attitudes are subject to change. A person having a negative attitude towards his job may in due course of time start developing a positive attitude towards it. All individuals hold attitudes irrespective of their age, sex, social status, etc. Various attitudes are there: respecting seniors like parents, teachers, and others, caring for the differently abled and the weak, being indifferent towards others, or neglecting one's duty is a negative attitude. Power of positive attitude. Positive attitude helps to cope more easily with the daily affairs of life. It brings optimism into your life and makes it easier to avoid worry and negative thinking. It will bring constructive changes into your life and makes you happier, brighter, and more successful. With a positive attitude, you can see the bright side of life, become optimistic, and expect the best to happen. A positive attitude leads to happiness and success and can change your whole life. A person with a positive attitude would have the following traits. They would be happy, motivated, confident, optimistic, responsible, determined, creative, strong, proactive, successful, inspired, passionate, encouraged, and supportive. There are some benefits of positive attitude, so they are given here. It helps to achieve goals and attain success. Success is achieved faster and more easily. More happiness and more energy. Greater inner power and strength. The ability to inspire and motivate yourself and others. Fewer difficulties are encountered along the way. The ability to surmount any difficulty. Life smiles at you and people respect you. So these are some of the benefits of positive attitude. A person with a positive attitude would have the mindset, "I can do it," not "I can't do it." Now we'll see how to develop a positive attitude. So here are some ways to develop a positive attitude. Listen to good music. Don't do anything passively. Be aware of negativity. Make time to be alone. Exercise regularly. Have a goal and move towards it. Take time to do the things you enjoy. Change your definition of happiness. Ignore things that don't make you happy. Find a way to measure your progress and then measure it. Realize that happiness is an evolutionary reward, not an objective truth. So far, we had seen about attitude, positive attitude, its benefits, and how to develop a positive attitude. Next, we would see about negative attitude. A negative attitude is a disposition, feeling, or manner that is not constructive, cooperative, or optimistic. It can affect anyone just about anywhere. The causes of negative attitude are limiting beliefs. negative family and friends, negative environment, feeling unappreciated, unsatisfying circumstances or life. The consequences of negative attitude are given here. It shortens life, it creates unpleasant future, it harms others, it produces negative effects. A person with a negative attitude would have the following traits. They would be self-centered, indecisive, confused, anger, fear, lazy, ego, sadness, arrogant, superficial, violent, inferior, jealous, procrastinate, hate, ignorant, impatient, dishonest, stress, and greed. Types of negative attitude. There are certain types of people that indulge in negative states of mind. They are all different in some ways of thinking and acting, but the unifying feature of all of them is their constant negativity. Here are several types of such personalities: miserable type, silent killer, drama queen, and paranoid type. Well, that's all about it. Thank you.